Hello, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm a childbirth, injury, and medical malpractice attorney practicing law here in the state of Maryland, and I would like to quickly talk with you today a little bit about the process, the Maryland childbirth, injury, or medical malpractice process, because we get a lot of questions about the process itself. All right, so here we go. You've now filed your case up in Baltimore City in the Healthcare Alternative Dispute Resolution Office, and you've got your order, which is allowing you to now transfer your case into the appropriate circuit court. Is this it? Now, will you automatically get a jury trial? The short answer is no. There's a lot of things that are going to take place in this process. So after you file your case in circuit court, one of the next steps that's going to happen is that once you serve all the parties and they get the necessary paperwork, they will then file an answer to your complaint. In other words, they are going to answer the allegations that you allege in your complaint. And what this answer does is it lets you know what the defense is looking at, or what are some of the defenses that they will be using or that may come up in your case. Now, there's also a word of caution. When you see these answers, don't be surprised if in certain instances the defense just denies everything. They just come out and just say, look, we're denying all liability. We're saying that none of this happened this way. None of our doctors fell below the standard of care causing the plaintiff's injury. Or they may also be sure to talk about statute of limitations issues, latches issues, all of these things, contributory negligence, all of this stuff may be put into the defense. Because remember, they have to answer the allegations that you come up with, and they have to also put in their defense any necessary or needed defenses that must be brought up in the early part of the case. So why have I taken the time today to talk with you about this important information? Because I'm trying to give you insight into this process. I'm trying to help you understand that there's a lot of things that are going to happen before this case ultimately gets to a jury. If the case even makes it to a jury, you and your attorney and the other side, you guys may actually be able to work a settlement out in the meantime. So there's a lot of things that are going to happen in these types of cases. If you have more questions about your situation, if you realize that, you know what, it's time for me to talk with someone about what's going on with me, this is what I suggest that you do. Go ahead and pick up the phone and give me a call. It costs you absolutely nothing to call me. I can be reached at 301-850-4832, or if you prefer, you can send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. I answer Maryland childbirth, injury, and medical malpractice questions just like yours all the time, and I'll be glad to take some time and listen to your story. All right, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the childbirth, injury, and medical malpractice attorneys here at Boston Law Group, LLC, and we will see you next time. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day.